We're going 100. Oh, 87, 70, it's at 70. Microphone's working. I fixed it. I'm a genius. Oh my god, we have good quality up for the videos now. This is crazy. I don't even know what to talk about or make a video about right now because I got stuff planned for down the road, but I'm just so happy that things are working now. We do need gas. That seems to be a common occurrence here. Oh, I don't want to get stuck behind other cars. Anyway, welcome to the channel, welcome to another video. I hope you guys enjoyed the videos for the last couple days. Smaller channel, but it really warms my heart to see these videos get 200-300 views. As of this very second, we are 1 subscriber away from 300, so 300, sorry, 200. Jumped the gun a little bit there. With that being said, the last 2 videos, for those of you that have subscribed, I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. It makes me happy that, you know, the things that I'm making, people are enjoying, so it means a lot. Appreciate you. Nothing too crazy going on in today's video. This is just more so me checking out the audio, which from what I tested was working fantastic. Don't want to jinx it, but you know, we're here now. Friday coming up, I'm going out to Vaughan. I'm going to record some highway rides. For those of you curious, in the last video, that was not max speed on this bike. Going to a meet. You know, hopefully I'll get some good content. That'd be cool. I think, you know, it's got to happen organically, but I'd really like to have a video. We run into another small content creator. Brains collide, they clash. We make beautiful content together, you know, stronger in numbers. Plus, I feel like it'd be more entertaining. You know, I'd be able to add more to the channel. Now we're full. Now we're full. I hope you guys can hear the crispy pops now. Delightful. I know that I covered this in the last like 2 videos. I think it was either both or one of them about this bike's capability on the highway. As you saw in last video, it's more than capable of the highway. Yeah, you're going to be at higher RPM, but if you're going on the highway for 30 minutes, 40 minutes an hour, it'll be fine. You're not going to be going on the highway commuting 5 hours on your 400cc motorcycle, and if you are, you're insane, and you've got cheeks of steel back there. Yeah, this bike's more than capable of highway commuting. I mean, you're not going to overtake somebody going 130. You will, but it'll take you a little bit. But like cars going 60 and an 80. No issue at all. And let's be real, if there's a car going 60 on the highway, that's a whole issue on its own. But my point is, this bike at low end can overtake without any struggles at all. An awesome bike, I love it. I'm going to do a full coverage on mine specifically, what I've done, practical mods, pretty much what I've done to make the ride better and more enjoyable. I apologize if my editing looks sloppy. I'm new to all this. Give me some time, get there. I'll be polished. Trust me, I pick up on things quick. Those last 3 videos are the first time I've ever attempted editing these types of videos. So, but now that I can record without your guys' eardrums being blown out when I go over 60 kilometers an hour, I want to know a little bit about my tiny community. You know, what bikes you guys ride, if you're getting into bikes, what bike you're looking at getting, what bike you've had. Learn a little bit about you guys. I haven't quite gone over everything about my riding experience, so I'll do a quick story time. Started riding street bikes back in last summer, so almost a year now. My first bike was a Honda CBR 125, and that was my biggest mistake ever. I felt like a giant on a tricycle, like a kid's tricycle. I am 6'2", so yeah, just picture that. But I owned that 125 for 3 months, I think, and then I bought this. I bought this with 1,600 kilometers. Now it's at, so I've put 3,000 kilometers on it since October of last year. And you got to keep in mind that here in Canada, our bikes are away for 5 to 6 months of the year, so not a lot of time to ride. Wish it was all year. That make me very happy. My favorite parts about doing this whole moto vlogging thing is I get to build a community, do what I love, but with me being as like introverted, if that's even a word, and I have such severe anxiety with like public speaking, I'm happy that I can just edit out and cut out all the times that I said the same word 10 times. So if you guys see me in one spot and then I'm like 4 minutes down the road, just know that I stuttered a lot. I had a rough time, but we made it. I got the word out eventually, right? You gotta do it for the kids. I feel like my clutch is loose. Did you just stick your tongue out at me? I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know where I'm going, but we're going somewhere. Back on track. I'm gonna start learning how to get like proper B-roll shots like this. And then, yeah, that sounds about right. Again, I know this video isn't much, just a bunch of blabbering, but I just wanted to let you guys know how excited I am that I have a functioning microphone that doesn't sound like I'm talking to you from the bottom of a Pringles can being blown over by an industrial fan. Now that I can produce quality content, okay, maybe the content's not quality, but the quality of the content is quality. So, videos all over the place, but if you enjoyed the blabbering, drop a like, I appreciate it. We're one sub away from 200, big milestone for me personally. If you haven't already subscribed, button's down there. Don't do it because I mentioned it, do it because you wanted to. I respond to every comment, so if there's anything on your mind or any questions that you have about this bike or bikes in this grade, feel free to ask and I'll give my opinion or the answer that I have on that question. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you in the next one with, again, a functioning microphone. I'm still mind blown. Anyway, you guys have a great day.